You can bid goodbye to other skincare products you possess if you try this mask. This mask 100% organic and can be made in your kitchens. Firstly, start to soak in the flaxseed in water overnight. In the morning, boil the soaked flax seeds for around 10 minutes. Stir the mixture occasionally to check the consistency. After 10 minutes or so, switch off the burner and let the mixture cool. The ideal texture of the cooled mixture must be mucus-like slimy, thick liquid that has the consistency of a gel. Do not overcook the flax seeds, otherwise the gel would be so thick that you cannot spread it smoothly over the skin. Undercooked flax seeds will not allow the gel to form, so be careful regarding the consistency of the mixture while boiling. As already said, stir occasionally while boiling to check the consistency. After the mixture has cooled, drain it through a cloth and voila, you have a flaxseed gel at your disposal. Face mask for shrink in large pores and even out skin tone. All we need here is 1 teaspoon yogurt and 2 teaspoons flaxseed gel. Yogurt contains high amount of lactic acid, which exfoliates your skin and gives you a nice bright complexion. Plus, yogurt moisturizes the skin and tightens large pores. In a small bowl, mix both ingredients well until you get an even smooth looking paste. Apply the mask to a clean face. Massage it into your skin for about 5 minutes. Then leave it on for about 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Try it once a week for best results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.